Yeah, just the man, people. So, Rolly, what became about this? We wash that. Mr. Rolly goes so. Don't play with my thing. You see what I say? I'm telling you that to you. I don't brush my teeth. I don't brush my teeth because I edit the vlog for the people and watch it. You don't want the people to see the vlog. How long we have to go shop? And you are chat me out, you know. Don't chat me out, you. Don't start me up. You see what I say? Don't start me up. You see what I say, brother?
I'm ready to go.
Don't feel like you don't feel like you what them call this in the movie? Don't feel like you wave cap make you a bad man in you. Don't play my thing, you know. You see what I say? You think I like when you say the life say turn over the one place. Hey boy, don't play my thing, you know. My head sick, you know. The doctor can't fix it, you know. You see me? Doctor have to give me Ebola to fix my head sickness, you know. My head piece tripping on you.
Watch it. About 3
Don't play my thing.
So I go on here, so. And you know, sir, our people after you complain to him to do things, and one time you have to tell somebody to stop me, have a big problem.
Exactly. Don't play my thing.
You never yet left on my side yet. You're coming like a mother where have a boy and girl and she love the girl more than the boy. You see me?
So I'm here the girl.
I never said that.
Oh, I think I just go bust your face. Yo, I thought my Jerry thing them people like the party. Yo, we don't want a boy pressure my thing. You see me, I have the vlog for going on, so I edit the vlog. You see me, I edit the vlog. Alright people, so we're gonna go shop. Toast!
I ever give thanks to me.
Me and my girl there and we don't need no divorce. Bless it for me big toe. Big toe. I really know say a person have to go buy a big thing.
So I see them looking for a girl over there.
Ain't for real man, because when you get them, you see because I'm a lawyer. Big up!
Oh, there.
Yes, me just call to my uncle a while.
Yeah, because the house there, your uncle house?
Yeah, my uncle house.
No,
big house.
pool in the back?
The pool around to the back section around there, son.
Yeah.
Yeah, around there, son.
Gonna swim in?
No.
Skinny dip.
Skinny dip, yeah, we'll carry.
No man can't go skinny dip.
We'll carry
you get trapped.
We're gonna carry my friend and go skinny dip. Move! And I better me carry, if me carry, you not get nobody for skinny dip with. Sorry to say. You not get nobody for say, and you know me in a relationship, but me not go skinny dip with no man. Why?
Trisha call me when me a vlog. What she could have want? Trish!
Buy a piece of butter.
What kind of butter? You give me butter money?
Put in a rice.
You give me butter money? You give me butter money?
I don't want the Maggie something you try me to buy it too.
Ross, Trish, I forget my wallet. Me have to turn back.
No, we can't turn so.
You can't
My uncle house, that stay down at my uncle house, so I not go say, we are going to left here, so. Oh, I saw it's scary with them start. You go say, me so come, and when you look, you don't come back out, you're lucky.
You never see, go on, man. Meet me at the gate with my wallet now.
You can't take up on my camera battery when you come to.
I'll try that day.
Right near the speaker.
Right near the speaker, on top of the little speaker, the ground to the window.
Any one of them?
Any one of them, my friend. I take up the one preferably when I have no writing on it.
When you say one of them only have one writing for one item.
Writing. Lady, you done me credit. Come with the battery. Me there the gate, lady. Yo, come. Hang up. You have 1 minute remaining on this call. After we reach the final, we pass Uncle Yard and I go up, you know.
Them know how it feel.
Them know it feel, man.
Like,
Parents send you out and say, come back, you're left sitting.
Yeah.
Come back for that extra money, yeah. If you forget the instructions to write, you have to go back. I don't want Uncle Sinner, so I have eyeglass, you know, I walk past every minute. How much? The £2? One cut of butter too, remember that. How much for the sardine?
170.
170 for the sardine.
Sardine, rice.
And the cut of butter.
And a cut of butter. How much for a baked bean?
4 ribs. 320.
490.
490, yeah. 530. You want a bag though?
No, we have a bag, you know. She said she don't eat chicken though. And I want KFC ketchup this. She get catch.
Of course.
She get catch. Tell the people what we just do the crap.
Yo, people will just walk up, go up a mountain and will come back down. Yo, me tired. Country life not easy now. Them people are strong in a bolt, and that's why you have the record, man. Because them hillier and the yam and the banana and the cassava, I make you get the goal. Tired, Reza. You feel tired?
Both mouse.
My boss, man. I can't even go in the house.
Me I go in the house.
feel parcel.
Boy, I don't believe that. What kind of prank could I pull up on?
What kind of prank?
Yo.
Everything him feel
No,
prank.
what I don't know. Which should I know about?
I don't know, man. I'm not bother tell you nothing.
Yo,
Keep it to myself.
You tell me already.
I change my mind.
Alright, what you know?
Yeah.
A joke you there make?
Not that me here,
Two
but me
big
not
grown
bother.
man going there to make you more sure about unless you want to walk through.
Trish, what that symptom then name?
CDB.
She know why you move. Anything you move, you have to put back exactly 15 kilometers. Right go.
Accurately.
Accurately.
She's a clean freak like my wife, is he? Yo, the light in the kitchen that give me a buzz. Yeah, it's an half though.
Yeah, me say that.
This is say an half.
I come and go, me don't know.
People support the vlogs them cause me trust me, I want to upgrade my camera. You see what I say? I go deal with some rice and baked bean and if a Frankfurter I go into like sausage. You see me? How much pepper you need in that? You don't want to blind?
No.
You just want to see a little bit?
Yeah.
This is all courtesy of my wife teaching me. You see how this looks so sexy? You know we have a good woman, you know? You know how guide me nothing, man. Chill. So. Look, you think I'm editing, I can cut her out.
If you know what you have to do, you know, you can't never really train now. Yeah. Yeah.
What you think is here? Chef Razablade. Be yourself, baby. Be yourself, baby.
I roll the secret ingredients that I don't take it away. I'm not care down in your yard.
Yeah, taste it with my woman.
See rice done already?
No, you know, so I left it there when the water flow, like the water is like up on the top. That good? Like you look head in a baby. Like you look
What?
head in a baby.
Nah, look Shelly.
Like you look head in a
Come
baby.
love when the rice then leave bad, you know.
All the air she a go on. Make them sing at the rice pot now, man. Shelly. Nice, nice. Come on, Steve. Do better camera work than that, Steve. We got it over here, bro. Yo, people. See the finished product there.
I don't know where I come from. You just call me.
Finished product there. Make sure I get my thing up on the snap.
So they finish.
Finish thing on the snap. Really see your food there.
Right, son?
Yeah. Yo, I go on some my finished product there. My thing. And they say they is it. Because I don't know what to them.
I'm not going to be biased. I'm going to taste it and find out.
It's not going to be the best
I'm
thing
not
because
going
I
to
hear
be
things.
biased. I'm not going to be biased.
And you will learn from.
Facts. If it not good, it not good. If it good, me I tell you.
I know me, I worry me, G. Tell me my left out.
Tastes like baked bean.
It's supposed to taste like
Tastes
baked
like
bean.
baked
So
bean.
what I go on with it? My left out. It too salt. It too pepper.
No man, it
Oh.
really, it mellow.
It mellow.
Yeah.
So I say me have a mellow cooking, me, G.
It mellow. People who out there who is a chef wanna know what mellow mean. Have a smoothing taste and it relax my muscle. You see me? That's very good.
Yeah.
That's very good. I'm gonna sample the rice right now.
Shoot.
Cause that's just the baked bean.
Yeah.
Let's do the rice.
Yeah. It fresh? Can I feel like I not salt it, you know?
Yeah, you know. So why you don't want me to tell you? Why you want to tell me?
No, me say me feel like, cause no matter how me cook rice, me
No,
always,
the rice fresh, but yeah, dash it on me.
me always feel say no matter how me cook rice, me never get it right.
If I'm in the kitchen, because you know everybody I go say so first.
No, more nobody else say me. No matter how me cook rice, me never completely have that taste. It always have a little freshness.
So,
Me not like salty
Where the
food.
butter?
The butter in there, you know. You just not reach to that part of the rice yet.
Alright, so definitely fresh. As in so
Yeah.
you didn't make it dry out too much. You should have put a scandal bag and steam it and make it moist.
You never want to put
Cause
the scandal.
my
You never want to put scandal bag over on the food, G. You don't eat the food and put scandal bag over it?
You know like a scandal bag something. If I'm clear plastic bag or something.
Same thing.
Me no like
Scandal,
the- me no
plastic
like the
bag,
scandal
same
bag
thing.
one.
But may I say,
Yeah.
the rice you just want the little steaming thing.
That's
Just dry
all.
now.
Yeah.
Okay, they have it there and it just dry. So,
So.
I need some moisture.
Oh, some moisture.
Mellow, which is
Okay.
the baked bean, so it will complement the baked bean.
Or say make the compliment.
Yeah, my seed.
Oh,
I
okay.
think they do it purposely.
No, me don't do it purposely, but me got you.
Yeah.
Me got you.
Yeah,
Me
so
got
that
you.
go on, yeah.
Alright, not bad at all.
Do you want me to cloak up for go down on seaside?
You put on pum pum printer. Pum pum. Oh yeah, print pum pum for Trish.
And me have to lock the gate again.
Now you last come tree, Razor. Now you last come tree.
You know what? Don't let you to head at. Me gonna know you. Oh,
We are going down on the sea, yeah.
The sea.
With a lot of boulders down there. Because when you say sea, you know, a sea where you can't really go swimming because the part there rough. The beach part and the type of something there, where you go like a resort type of something. So a sea down there, so.
So we are got the beach part.
See where I go.
See where I go.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Trish,
this is where Rolly goes for. Why you wear the pum pum print?
I don't wear no pum pum print. In terms of I not for wear my wig, so I say alright, right now so where I go.
Yeah.
So I say alright, I go change my clothes now. Because we are going on the side. We can't put on.
Yo, you're the man who said that we can fall. Either really miserable for
But think about it, in a dress fit don't see, you know.
either really miserable for money, I am the man miserable. You hear the man come out of the house to cry. You're just the man, people. So really, what we care about is we wash that. Mr. Rolly goes so. Trish, me don't have no raw shots. Yo, the water nearly choke me.
No, but everybody in a dress fit for God to see. Him,
No.
we don't know where him a dress for go.
I swear, brother, you see you? Come with the central.
Where him a dress for go. He just, he have on the slippers, yes. We go there, you know.
Shots, whenever sleeping and naturally, when I want to put on underpants and set some bomb and go down at the sea and thing a swing. You see me?
Oh.
Some just put on my jeans.
So, I don't have nothing for swing, my thing little so.
Me I say,
I don't
like
for
you
swing.
walk with button.
That's the way you want to be a policeman, eh?
But it's nice, see, man. You alone? Alright, vlog bro. So I go down in the sea water phone. Well, for myself. I'm going to for myself. Because I don't want nobody say, oh, tell them we go down there. See right now. You see, you want to test your phone waterproof?
No, I'm not testing today. You did that.
Alright people, so we're inside. We just done film 2 other skits again. So we're up on the grind. Trish have class to go, me and Rolly have to leave. So we just done pack up on something.
I want to say thank you very much, Trish. I appreciate
And you
it.
can follow up on IG too, like
No other.
no other.
And it's spelled kind of.
If I go run left far if I reach down to which by the water there because I left my lip balm on the damn stone them. You know I left my lip balm. I said, I want it. So I'll get my lip balm and then we're going to link her and then we're going to just go. I rant be, right? So I keep on as a K-man and be like me the K-man. We got it.
I don't know why raise a pressure for get appetite. Him is not a drink kind of people. Me never yet see them man I get up and drink. Him not even drink dragon, much less. Yo, me not see him drink dragon people. You see me? He never say, well, me will drink 2 juice now. Be a natural juice. Right. Carrot juice, sour sap.
Man, when they don't drink soda, you feel like you can run them down with dragon.
You there, Joe, me not drink soda. Me not drink. People, I don't drink soda because it makes my teeth feel weak. Oh, see taxi here? Oh, this not what my Jenna. Oh, that side there. See, one door at work. One,
You know, come.
me?
Come now.
General want all too. Don't know everybody want to go somewhere, see?
So right now people made over rolling. I'm not go bother go home tonight. You know what I'm saying? I could have snapped you back in the bus when you're asleep.
People, you know that me could have snapped you.
No,
Yo, your head the panties, watch you.
Sleep, you know. No, I could have, when I reach near to town, I could have all out, G.
No.
I could have, I dead. I say, when I hook up, I could.
I ain't never been in a comfortable seat for
No
sleeping.
comfortable seat to sleep,
Yo, I
brother.
say you skill youth. I see the panties.
And I hold it like a G. I'm sorry for you the time, like, I see you start sleep. But when the time I turn over, look on you, lick up in the side of my hand.
Yeah.
So you see, after that, I start saying so, because I say, as a real British, I can't help it, otherwise, I make you slap up in the yes on my back, instead of lick up on the side. So you must be a real friend, you.
Yo,
when I lick up, I see you go so.
Yeah,
I say,
I get
"Pokey
them.
dog,"
Yeah.
I turn in time, just to see, I turn.
I said so, and the girl side of me, she a squeezing a smile. Me I look upon her and me I say, smile and you see, smile and you see. That me I say.
How you fix a job on the kind of funny thing? Me I say, you know what? Anytime I see you sitting on some set, I say, if you look up on the look up, I don't say meaty part of my back, I'm skinny. But if you look up on the broad part of my back, you're good same way.
Trish, you miss her, you know. See?
Yeah, I miss Trish, but Trish nice. Yo, I want to be rolling up people. Love one likes him as the biggest chef. I was do some bag of something. Look how the mackerel are swimming in the water. What is you, man? A belly ache can't go give me energy.
No, some people don't know how it tastes because it look different, right?
Yeah, so it was
That
taste
simple
different.
mean it has a lot of love and different.
No man cook no food give me no bag of love. I'm testing the rice. The rice supposed to be good. Alright, I'm gonna test the rice with the sauce. Rice with the sauce, see? It's good, man. You get to it.
Where out there?
It's good.
Where you tasting that?
I don't know, me taste dumb.
Yeah, this what, dumb?
I know the Maggie, no, the Maggie is. Find out your secret style.
Well, one Maggie you say, man use anything.
Now use it when me cook the angel and see if she like it.
One Maggie you think of secret style? Want the ingredients to pass them to my dinner.
Ingredients?
Yeah, like a recipe. Yeah, that may work on the same how it's nice to check.
People me tired, me don't want to talk no more, me don't want to do nothing more than just eat this and go sleep, so. I'm gonna knock out after this. You see me? In the morning, I'm supposed to should go home, you see? Make more, you see me?